Hi everybody, welcome to the Third Beard Fishing Channel. Welcome back to Castaway Point. I know I do a lot of fishing videos where I'm actually here, and I'm trying to change that up soon. I'm getting kind of tired of coming out here, but it's pretty much one of the closest areas to my house, and it's easy to get to, and it's something I can do when my wife gets off work. I can just run over here real quick. So that's kind of why I'm over here today. We're gonna do just a little bit of fishing today, just see what we can catch. May not catch anything, may catch just catfish. We'll see what happens, but gonna have a little bit of fun. I've got some plans later this week to go to some much cooler areas to see if we can't catch us some better fish and do some more, have some more fun in better locations, and that's what we're going to try to do later on this week. But I just wanted to get out today and just get my bait wet, you know, and just do some fishing. So that's what we're doing today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. We're pushing to 500. We're almost to 400 now. I really want to get to 500. We're really getting close. And if you would, make sure you share this video on your Facebook profile, Instagram, whatever you got to do. I really appreciate it. As of the past couple of weeks, my views have been tanking really bad, and I'm not even getting over 500 or not even getting 50 views on my videos for some reason. So I really, YouTube's not helping me anymore for some reason. They're not pushing my videos. So I really need your help with that, and you guys could be a huge help with it. So thank you guys for joining me. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into it. There's a fish. I'm sure this is just a sail cat, but that's a good size one. That's respectable. I really didn't want to catch these today, but I'm at Castaway Point, so that's kind of what you're going to catch here, especially on a day like today. Put his nose on there. So he's sitting at 25 and a half inches. Oh, come here. You can't even see it. There we go. Whoo, boy, is this big. came to the surface. Oh gosh, sorry y'all. I was not prepared for that. All of a sudden my drag started screaming. Yeah. Just trying to retie something. Whew, he does not want to come to the surface. Come on. Come on, buddy. There he is. Come on, tire out. Whew. Spicy. Spicy boy. Doesn't like this net. That up against the nose. Tail out. He's just over 24, so he's not even as big as the first one we caught today. Oh well. I don't think he's very big. Doesn't feel big. I mean, he's good size. He's just not the biggest one I've caught today. You'll be on the video now. There he is. Oh, he is a good size. There you go. Good job.
Really big, man.
Yeah, that's the third one today. Alright, so this one is 23 inches. Can you guys see? There we go. 23 inches, so this is the smallest of the day. Oh, there it is. Yeah, the rocket launch. Hey, rocket launch.
Whoa.
You see the rocket?
Yeah.
I love living here. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a catfish.
It's a giant hard
Yeah, let me
head.
help you.
It's a giant hard head catfish.
Yeah.
We got him on a sand perch. Ah, that's a huge one. Yeah, probably the biggest one I've ever caught. This species is the bane of every fisherman's existence. We hate these things.
Yeah, man.
That is a huge hardhead. Oh my God, I've never seen one that big before. This is like a channel catfish as far as size goes. Caught him on a silver perch. I'm gonna measure this guy. Gosh, he is huge. Such a nuisance. Oh my gosh, they're such a nuisance. But let's measure him anyway. I don't usually measure these, but for this fish I will. Chill. Alright. Just over 18 inches. Wow. Oh. There we go, there we go, there we go. He's on. He's on. I got him!
Wow, he's bigger, man. You see it?
Did you see him?
He's bigger, man.
Just turn this a little bit like that.
Woo!
Drag just a hair.
Bigger, right? You feel it?
He doesn't feel, I mean, he feels bigger than that last one, but I definitely had to loosen the drag a little bit. Did you see it?
Yeah, I see it over there.
You grabbed the net?
Yeah, let me get it.
My gosh, what a monster. What a monster. Maybe he won't be as big as I'm thinking. Boy, he sure does look big. Oh my God. Oh, go away. God, I hate these pelicans. Next time that guy's here, I'm giving him a big old piece of my mind. 'Cause he feeds them every day, which is illegal. And now that stupid pelican just tried to take that fish, what, 3 times?
Yeah.
Idiot. Thank you. Listen, folks, if you're feeding wild animals, you are wrong. You are a problem. I used to work in wildlife removal for a living, and guess how many times I got called out to come and capture animals like raccoons and squirrels that people were feeding, and I would have to capture them and then euthanize them because they were habituated to people because you guys were being stupid and trying to feed them. They're wild animals. They know how to feed themselves. Leave them alone. Alright folks, so that's going to do it for today's video. That pelican really got on my last nerves. Couldn't even get a fish on the dock without it trying to eat it. And I shushed it away multiple times with my net and it just wasn't taking the hint. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun. I know you guys have seen me come here a lot and catch sail cats. It's just, it is what it is. I had some time today, and I hadn't been out in a while since I've been sick. I just wanted to get out and just catch something. So later on this week, I'm going to be doing some much cooler stuff. We're going to be catching some better fish, hopefully, and not be here. So yeah. Thank you all for joining me. Make sure you, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you know when I upload a new video. And until next time, I'll see you then. Take care. Thanks for watching the Third Beard channel. Here's a video selection and here's a playlist suggestion. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you.